Welcome to Lux Innovator Leader Profile Series. I'm very excited to have Antonio Batistini from NEXTCHEM here. He's the Chief Technology and Innovation Officer and one of our esteemed clients in our Executive Partner Program. So I just want to say thank you. It's a privilege to serve your organization, and it's a joy to work with you, Antonio.
Thank you very much. It's my honor and pleasure to be here. So thank you so much. Really appreciate it.
As you look to the future and that vision, what do you see ahead in terms of innovation? What's innovation strategy and the organization preparing for the changes? What are you seeing?
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
No, this is, well, first of all, is not only a technical challenge, what we're doing, but it's also a cultural challenge, you know, because you're moving, as I said, from an agnostic type of culture of integration, especially large-scale plants, to becoming a selective, distinctive, differentiated provider of proprietary technologies. And this requires a big shift in the way we're doing things. And in fact, we are slowly but surely changing the way we are working together. So MAIRE is born as by acquisition of very different technology and especially engineering companies and providers with a vertical structure within each of the sister company that we acquired. And now I'm trying hard, and everybody's bought in apparently, to move to a more classical cross-functional and matrix level of interaction. So we're working on integrating what we call strategic innovation in a transversal way across the entire organization and the three major business lines that we're now focusing on. And with the objective in strategic innovation to bring any new technologies from TRL1 to a TRL9. So the first commercialization, the realization of the first reference plant. And then at that point, we hand over the technologies to the business line, to the operations units of the business line, which we take care of the incremental innovation part, of course, always keeping a strong dialogue with the strategic innovation team. So if something gets changed, let's say, the way that we configure the process to product architectures that we are commercializing, the project re-enters the strategic innovation funnels, and we do the chemistry or the pilot design in order to demonstrate the scalability of the new technologies. So this way of working cross-functionally in following a rigorous staging gate, not precise, but rigorous, otherwise you get lost in details and you never bring anything to the market. The acceleration I want to have, because at the end of the day, we are not an academic unit. So we need to bring a concept from concept shaping to, let's say, first industrial scaling in maximum, I think, 4 years, including construction of the pilot plant. Otherwise, the NPV 10 associated to any new opportunity is going to be negative from the beginning, so it doesn't make any industrial sense. It's a big cultural change. So but this is the way we're going to work. So we're going to have also a strategic marketing organization dedicated to define the addressable opportunities in this big space, and into the addressable opportunities, how much share we're going to get based on the strengths of the unique value proposition of the technologies that we're going to develop and bring to the market. So that is a completely new exercise, but by doing that and following this rigorous stage and gate approach with all the projects we are doing, there is also an higher measurable capacity of determining the investment that we take for every project, and therefore, after commercialization, measure the return on the investments that we're doing. That is something that we can promote on the market and to our investors, and show the value that we are doing by investing into the strategic innovation capabilities that we're building on. For this purpose, we're also building a large an integrated center of excellence where we're going to have our own dedicated lab facilities to do the chemistries and the in vitro, let's say like this, pilot demonstration of a new concept, new chemistries, new catalysts, new ways of doing things. And then we'll have in the same place relatively large facilities where we're going to locate all our industrial demonstration plant. So we're going to demonstrate the scalability of this concept and make leverage of the lab facilities at analytical level to make sure that we monitor and quantify all the products quality and the process characteristics that we're going to sell. So we're going to become a very strong integrated center of excellence, which is also a very nice place where to hire new resources, new skill, and grow the young people to integrate this vision of doing things.